Good morning. It's going to be a fantastic day. I'm so excited. We're going to go to 13 Crossings hike and then, we're here on Maui and we're going to go to 13 Crossings hike. Then we're going to go see sea turtles and beach hop and then end at Jaws and watch the surfers and then get pizza. So it's going to be a great day. Let's go. That's the worst video of my whole life. Mango bread? I could get behind that.
Mango bread for one, mango bread for all. They've been safe the whole time. They literally have that mango.
Quite the stick.
Huh? No. No little wells. Hey guys.
Olivia, come over to us. Smile at me. Are you okay? What's wrong? Oh, it got dirty? I'm just doing feet. Do you need help?
You don't want to do it. That was a hard one.
Okay. Oh, that's good. You gave me a box for Christmas.
Oh my goodness, it's a box.
An avocado. Thanks.
Big spiders?
We are in the nature. Good job, Hallie.
Good job, Hallie.
Thank you.
I'm glad you did not die. Go, Emma. Go, Emma. Smile again. Thanks. Yeah.
Hold on, Pat. Hold on.
There's like 2 or 3 more waterfalls after this. We've got Olivia. One day.
Hey guys.
Oh yeah, good job.
You have to use the rope now. Just use the rope.
100%. Feet and rope. More feet than rope.
More feet, bud. More feet.
More feet than rope.
Zach. Zach, listen to me. More feet. More feet.
Lean back.
Oh, there you go. Now put your butt down. Your feet up.
Like
Feet
you're,
up. There, more. There you go, like that.
yeah, just like you're coming down from climbing.
There you go. With those feet high. There you go.
Nice, pal. You gonna do it again? I'm gonna go up too. Just put it in Dad's backpack. It was insanely low in this canyon right now. Okay. Like normally the pool is up to the. Oh wow. And I wouldn't. Yeah. I wouldn't even consider doing that. You couldn't see the rocks in the water. Yeah. It looks like the rock's relatively new though, so. Yeah, it looks like a good solid. Yeah. Non-worn out rope. You guys are tough.
They're doing the easy part. Coming down.
It's the hard part. This is Moki. Say hi, Moki.
You got it, Hallie.
Yeah, all right. That's so nice. Yeah. Where the water is? On the other, usually it's the opposite. Okay.
That's a bit. I'm just like.
Do that again. What? Bum 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 bum.
Like it's all about.
Bye, Emma. What's happened? Yeah, I bet you could cannonball. Well, let's not try it because we didn't test it out. No, yeah. Sure. It's the back and forth. Okay. The video is
Climb these walls with me.
super awesome.
Oh, God. Put your hand there.
Okay. And climb down? I'll grab it. I'll grab it.
It's fine. I'm gonna let go. I'm fine. I'm trying to get there.
It hit your head.
Quite the walking stick, guys.
You guys gonna lay out the laundry? Okay, go ahead, Liv. Nice jump.
Whoa! Whoa! No, I'm looking at the wood. Shoes are like too weird.
Hey, Zach. You like your taco?
Yeah. Oh, daddy chicken.
Chicken.
Daddy chicken.
Awesome. Hi, Rooster.
The daddy
Oh,
chicken.
no, poor chicken. What is it done to you?
I just finished the whole thing.
I don't think they're being mean. You look super happy. That's so cute. Well, it's the end of the day. It's nighttime, and it has been a spectacular day. A little different than what we anticipated because on our hike, there were more waterfalls, and we took full advantage of that. We were also hiking with a 5-year-old, and so it just always takes longer than I was hoping, but worth every second. Love hiking with toddlers. They're so cute. So anyways, great day. We didn't see the turtles. The surf beach that we wanted to go to didn't have surf at the time that we were going to be around, so we didn't head that way, but that's okay. Great day. One of my favorites. Good night.